Well, I figured I could also just do this on screen. Okay, why not? Wet wipe, um, clothing. Let's see. Okay. Um, this should be able to remove every. Let's first figure out these instructions though. So I'm gonna unpack this one. So clean the screen, pull down this mask from this. No, it's not on this side. It's on this side. What? Where's the protective film? Right. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a protective film that I'm supposed to remove. Then I place this on top like this. And then I slide. Press the application to our phone, ensuring that the top of the tray aligns with the top of the phone. Press the screen protector at the top and slide down over the open cut. Slide down. The screen protector will attach and the adhesive will spread automatically. Remove the application tray from the phone by lifting. The blue film will come off with the tray. Okay, seems simple enough. Down one more time. We're gonna celebrate.